Hi, this is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet two together. This is one of the stitches that I use in my Cleveland Baby Booties. This is a decrease stitch that I use for the toe. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to be working in your next 2 stitches. So you'd start like you would any double crochet, and you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch in the row, yarn over, and pull through the stitch. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You now have 2 loops on your hook. So start over again now by yarning over and inserting your hook into the next stitch in the row. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete your double crochet 2 together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials like this one, please subscribe to my channel.